a barbecue chicken, you got cheese, please, and man, check out.
Wait till I tell him he can get a chicken ham and cheeseburger.
Feeling cranky with crappy ads on social media? Well, 2024 has started with the news of AI swooping in to rescue your feed. Yeah, this one here can cook up some real Insta-worthy posts like never before. By 2023, AI made up a whopping 40% of all customer service interactions on social media platforms. Literally, a super smart assistant handling your chats and messages while you kick back and relax. But wait, because it gets even crazier. We're talking big bucks here. The global market for AI in social media is projected to skyrocket to a mind-boggling $7.19 billion by 2027. Yeah, so you heard that right. Imagine you're gearing up for a killer social media ad campaign. You got your eye on the prize, but there's a mountain of tasks standing between you and success. Researching your audience, reviewing ad performance, and personalizing content is enough to make your head spin. And let's not forget about optimization, tweaking and fine-tuning your campaign to squeeze out every last drop of ROI. It's a full-time job keeping up with it all. With AI, you can handle those tedious tasks in the blink of an eye. Think of it as having a team of tireless assistants working around the clock to make your life easier. Need to know which audience segment is the most likely to engage with your ad? AI has got you covered. Want to test different ad creatives to see which one performs best? AI can handle that too. It's like having a market genius in your back pocket, ready to unleash its full potential at a moment's notice. With its advanced algorithms and predictive analytics, AI can identify trends and insights that humans might overlook. It's like having a crystal ball that can peer into the future of social media marketing. And the best part? AI gets smarter over time, learning from every interaction and constantly improving its performance. It's like having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, always ready to lend a helping hand whenever you need it most. Crafting personalized products recommendations that can make you feel like a VIP. Imagine scrolling through your feed and seeing an ad for the perfect pair of kicks, tailored just for you. It's like magic, except it's powered by AI. But Nike isn't stopping there. Oh no, they're not. They're taking things to the next level. Recently, they teamed up with AI platforms, Snaps and Facebook, to unleash a cutting-edge bot aimed at promoting their AI Jordan blog content. Think of it as your own personal tour guide through the world of Air Jordans, serving up the latest news, reviews, and insider tips straight to your inbox. Optimization in advertising is like fine-tuning a complex machine for peak performance. And AI is the master mechanic behind the scenes. So AI-powered tools are tirelessly running experiments on different elements of ads, headlines, images, and ad data to uncover the winning formula that resonates best with your audience. Now, AI doesn't just randomly throw things together. It follows a systematic approach called A/B testing. This involves presenting different versions of an ad to different segments of your audience and analysing which one performs better. It's like conducting a series of controlled experiments to determine which works and what doesn't. Now, here's where the numbers come in. Studies have shown that nearly half of respondents trust AI to effectively target ads, with 39% relying on it to optimise ad creatives like emails. These statistics highlight the growing trust in AI's ability to deliver results in the advertising sector. So, what does this mean for advertisers? Well, it's a game changer to say the least. Traditionally, advertisers had to rely on gut instinct and subjective judgment to create and optimize ads. But with AI, they can bid farewell to guesswork and embrace data-driven decision-making. So here's how it works. Algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, from user demographics to past ad performance, to identify patterns and trends. This data-driven approach enables advertisers to make informed decisions about which ad variations are most likely to resonate with their target audience. But it doesn't stop there. It's constantly learning and evolving, refining its strategies based on real-time feedback. This means that ads are constantly optimized for maximum impact, ensuring that every dollar spent on advertising delivers the best possible return on investment. So now let's talk about the technical side of things. AI-powered optimization relies on sophisticated algorithms that can process massive amounts of data in real time. So these algorithms use techniques like machine learning and natural language processing to obtain insights from data and make predictions about which ad variations are most likely to perform well. But it's not just about crunching numbers. AI also employs advanced statistical methods to ensure the validity and reliability of the results. This includes techniques like hypothesis testing and confidence intervals, which help to determine whether the observation differences in ad performance are statistically significant. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of AI-powered and optimization is its ability to adapt and learn over time. As it gathers more data and refines its algorithms, AI becomes increasingly accurate and effective at predicting which ad variations will yield the best results. Alright, so next, let's look into real-time bidding and predictive analysis. AI-powered algorithms scan through oceans of user data, analysing behaviours and making split-second decisions on ad placements. Literally, a hyper-intelligent auctioneer is working around the clock to ensure your ads reach the right audience and at the perfect time, maximising conversions and minimising wastage. Take Rocket Fuel, for instance, the trailblazing ad tech company that's harnessing the power of AI for real-time programmatic advertising. Their cutting-edge algorithms crunch the numbers in real time, determining the most effective bids and ad placements with surgical precision. It's like having a crystal ball that can predict the future of ad placements, ensuring that every penny of your ad spend counts. But that's not all, because AI isn't just bidding on ad placements, it's also about predicting user behaviour before they even know it themselves. Social media platforms use predictive analysis to recommend content to users, both organic and sponsored. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your likes and dislikes better than you do, serving up content that's tailor-made for you. Take Airbnb, for example, the travel giant that's redefining the game with predictive analysis. By analysing user search and booking history, Airbnb can predict travel preferences and destinations with uncanny accuracy. Their social media ads then showcase relevant accommodations and experiences, enticing users to book their next adventure. So it's like having a travel agent who knows exactly what you're looking for every step of the way. Now, AI doesn't just improve your ad game, it can be your ultimate defender as well. So get this, stats show that AI is set to slash the impact of ad fraud by a staggering $10 billion this year alone, up from a measly $2 billion back in 2018. That's a serious dent in the armour of fraudsters, and AI is leading the charge. So how does AI do it? Well, AI algorithms are constantly scanning the digital landscape for signs of foul play. From click fraud to bot traffic, no trick goes unnoticed under the watchful eye of AI. Take The Trade Desk, for instance, the demand-side platform that's at the forefront of the fight against ad fraud. By utilising the power of both AI and machine learning, The Trade Desk's algorithms analyse real-time data to identify suspicious activity and take swift preventative action. Now, one thing is for sure, AI is reshaping the landscape of social media advertising, empowering businesses to connect more efficiently with their target audience, optimise campaigns, and achieve tangible results. Looking ahead, the role of AI in this realm is poised to expand even further. To remain competitive, businesses must embrace AI technologies and adapt to the evolving digital landscape. For example, integrating AI-driven live chat alternatives can emphasise customer interactions and engagement. However, it's crucial to prioritise data privacy compliance when leveraging AI for social media advertising. Utilising GDPR compliance software can streamline data management processes, ensuring ethical and effective AI implementation. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a business owner seeking to bolster your online presence, the time to harness AI in your social media advertising endeavours is now. Anyway, what do you guys think? Do drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Meanwhile, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more awesome content. Okay, so that's a wrap for today. Hope you enjoyed the journey, and I'll catch you next time.